Hey there. In the previous lecture, we have talked about basic arithmetic operations. We have also talked a little bit about variables. So, okay, in this lecture, we are going to talk about variables again. We will also talk about operation priorities, and we move to command history and command window. So I hope you enjoy this lecture. Okay, so get back from where we have stopped. Uh, so I really would like you to know that this A capital is different. It is actually MATLAB does not. MATLAB is a capital sensitive, so capital case sensitive. So A is different than A. Okay, I really would like you to understand this. So if I said that A is just like this, if I hit enter A, capital A, and if I hit enter, if MATLAB is not case sensitive, it should get me this answer. But if I press enter there, it will be an undefined variable. Or, oh no, it was previously introduced. So we may take, uh, here we have a small x. So let us type capital X and undefined variable x. Okay, and it is very nice thing that MATLAB interact with me. It ask me here, did you mean x is small? So that's what cool about MATLAB. That's why we learning it here. Okay, as you can notice, we have introduced, in this case it is a little bit many, it is not clean our command window. So it is good actually to clean the command window from one time to another, just to make everything clear. If you want to do that, we simply type CLC. Okay, CLC, and it is actually clean. If I want to remove the small one, from the workspace, if I want to remove uh, this variable, CLC does not work. CLC is just for command window. uh, so I just type clear, and if the name of the variable that I want to remove, and here it is not available here. If I want to remove all of them, either I type clear without anything or clear all. They are all the same. Okay, yeah, they gone. Okay. In this lecture, basically, we want to know a little bit how MATLAB calculates things. If I type 1 minus 2 multiplied by 4 or 3, okay, so what's your guess? You guessed? So let us see what is the answer. The answer is minus 5. So why this answer? Okay, so simply MATLAB make first the multiplication, the division. Then, if there is subtraction, adding, it will make it. So first the multiplication in this case, and then it is actually calculate 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, and 1 minus the answer, 1 minus 6, it comes here minus 5. Okay, if I want to force it to calculate first 1 minus 2, what I have to do here? Okay, I have to put it in parentheses, and the multiplication symbol, which is asterisk, multiplied by 3. Okay, in this case it is minus 3. Fine. Okay, what about if I type this number? Let's make it to okay. Yes. By the way, this is the symbol for power. Okay. And here. Okay. Again, what is your guess? Let us see the answer. Why this answer? Again, power in priorities, it is before multiplication and division. So first Matlab make 3 to the power 3, which is 27, and multiply it by 2. This is the answer. If I want to force it to make it 2 multiplied by 3 and then all to the power 3, I also gonna use parentheses, and just like that it is 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6 to the power 3, which is this answer. Okay. Let us CLC to clear the screen, clear our command. So what's next? So if I in variables, actually this lecture should also talk a little bit about variables. In variables, it is good to make some meaning variables. No, it's not about making Ahmad or your name or whatever. It is just to, because mostly you will have to deal with long project, so you really do not have to make it a or x if you can make it another meaningful variable for you. So if I type Ahmed is equal to this number, I can actually make any operation that I want to that variable, which is Ahmed, and again it is just like anything. So this variable can be is applicable to any type of arithmetic operation. So let us recap everything we have done for so far. In this lecture we have talked about how to clear the command window, how to remove some variable in workspace. We also talk about variables. You can name any variables. We also talked about that Matlab is case sensitive. That means capital case is very different than small case. So hope you enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.